Introducing BEEAH's Facilities Management Services, backed by our legacy in sustainability and innovation across the region, and proven across our award-winning zero-waste ecosystem. Our comprehensive services bring together proven solutions and future technologies, adaptable to the needs of all types of assets. Behind the scenes, our technical experts keep your assets reliable and running, from electrical, ventilation, and plumbing systems to critical safety infrastructure. We take care of your customers while keeping facilities looking and feeling well-maintained. Using advanced equipment, we ensure sanitized common areas and shared spaces to cleaner parking areas, walkways, and exterior facades. Every day, our trusted security personnel use CCTV technologies for real-time monitoring and secure access to major entry and exit points. Our customer support team helps with day-to-day interactions, backed by advanced technologies and data-driven insights, while continuously upskilling to meet growing needs. From your assets' interiors to the exteriors, experience a transformative leap in facilities management services. We integrate technologies for safe, predictive, and reliable operations, providing your asset a clean and sustainable environment and minimizing your maintenance needs. We go from completing your operational tasks to driving transformation, so your facilities are future ready.